Welcome to Glow Up Skin. Are you struggling with post-acne marks? Here are the top 5 creams that can help you achieve clearer skin. Number 5. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc, 1% serum. Details: skin type, oily. Product benefits: skincare, use for face, scent, aloe. Brand: The Ordinary. This serum is a popular choice for reducing post-acne marks due to its high concentration of niacinamide, which helps to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Number 4. Murad Post-Acne Spot Lightening Gel. Product details: skin type, acne-prone. Item form: gel. Specific uses for product: apply directly to post-acne spots and marks. 4. Best results: use every night after your regular skincare regimen. Formulated without parabens, phthalates, and gluten. Age range description: adult. Country of origin: France. This gel contains hydroquinone, which is a powerful skin lightener that can help to fade post-acne marks over time. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Duo Acne Treatment Cream. Product safety: dermatologist-tested, suitable for sensitive skin, paraben-free, fragrance-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic. This cream is formulated with salicylic acid, niacinamide, and LHA to exfoliate the skin and promote cell turnover, which can help to reduce the appearance of post-acne marks. Number 2. Paula's Choice Resist Triple Action Dark Spot Eraser 7% AHA Lotion. Details: brand: Paula's Choice. Item form: lotion, cream. Unit count: 29.57 milliliter. Age range description: adult. Material features: this natural. Lotion contains a combination of AHAs and antioxidants to help fade post-acne marks and prevent new ones from forming. Number 1. Mederma PM Intensive Overnight Scar Cream. Details: brand: Mederma. Item form: cream, gel. Unit count: 1 ounce. Number of items: 1. Use for whole body. This cream contains dimethicone, which helps to lock in moisture and promote healing, as well as allantoin, which can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce the appearance of post-acne marks. Thanks for watching.